Hello.
Hello,
Good
sir.
evening. How are
Good
you?
evening, sir. I'm fine.
Good. Great.
What about you, sir?
Yeah, I'm doing good. Thanks, buddy, for asking that. Okay, now tell me your name and where you are from and which college, year, everything, please.
My name is Mohammad Faiz Khan and I'm studying in Manisha College. I am in my third year. I'm pursuing computer science. And I would like to say so far in my experience in iFuture has been excellent. They have been teaching us cloud computing and we already know how important cloud computing is, especially for someone who don't have the right resources. So cloud computing gave us the availability to use all of these services, and thanks to our dear sir, he taught us really good about the basic of cloud computing and how everything works. So I would really like to thanks our dear sir and the whole iFuture team.
Thank you. It was really a wonderful feedback. And we wish you all the best for your college and the TY final exam.
Yes, thank you.
And thank you for trusting and supporting iFuture. It was really great talking to you.
Thank you.
Thanks. Take care.